All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to be talking about a couple of settings that can help improve your overall performance from games and other stuff that rely on your graphics drivers by going into your NVIDIA app and changing a couple of different settings. So the first thing you want to do is go into graphics, go into global settings, and then down here, make sure you turn on low latency mode. Mine was set to off. I'm going to go ahead and set mine to on. Then down here, you should have a shader cache size. You want to set that to 100 gigabytes if you have the extra space on your hard drive for it. I do. I would not recommend setting it to unlimited though, because NVIDIA will literally fill up your entire computer with your shader cache if you allow it to do so. And the other thing that you're going to want to tweak is somewhere in here is power management mode right here above shader cache. Normally it's just set to default, which is normal. You can go ahead and set that to prefer maximum performance. Otherwise, this might occasionally, during times of like heavy power draw, dial back your frame rate and your graphics because it thinks that, it might want to try to save power. This is normally only a problem on like laptops, but sometimes it'll also do it on desktops apparently. So that's a good setting to tweak as well. Then over here under system, you've got your display settings here. This is just sort of like a general graphics tip, is for each one of your displays here under display properties, make sure each one of these has the highest refresh rate available to that monitor. That way it has the highest refresh and the highest frame rate possible. And then underneath of settings, turn off unless you use it to record the NVIDIA overlay, because all of these different overlays will actually cause lag because they sit on top of your gameplay or your different software that you're currently running on your computer, taking up important resources. And then that should be about it. Those are some good general purpose settings to tweak inside of your NVIDIA settings in order to get the most out of your NVIDIA graphics card. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.